Hey, we're out here in the garage. We're working on a photography project. Here's the thing. When you're taking wildlife photos, you want to get close. You want to get low to the ground. You want to see those things at eye level so your pictures don't look like they're all from the top. Hey, I found this thing called the ground skimmer, all right? It's a nice donut thing. It's plastic, skims on the ground. I thought, wow, I'm going to buy that. It's $100, and then there's shipping if you buy one, you got to ship. So I got a new plan. Let me show you what I got. And I'm doing this for well under 10 bucks. All right, so here's what we've got. Got a bolt we're gonna have to cut off that was out of our junk pile. We've got part of our photography stand from ProMaster. This is a panning setup. And speaking of panning, look what I got. I got a pan. So here's the thing that's funny. This was marked down to $2.99 at Goodwill from $3.99. And this gets even better. Yellow tags were half off, so I paid $1.50 for this one. First thing we're going to do is we're going to grind these off. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, some good news. We don't care about the handle. Got to take it off. Just kind of put this up in here. Come in here. Grinder. Ground those off. Should be able to just work this off. Hey, look at that. Hey, recyclable metal handle for something else. Next thing you got to do is tap these out. All right, they're not threaded. I'm going to try this. Support it real close by the socket here. Seat it out and give it a whack. Got it. All right, let's do the other one. This one just don't want to come. There we got it. All right. Oh, we got them. You straighten the pan out a little bit. You got a little bit of a tip. All right, so there's our pan. Now we're going to put a hole in the center. So we're going to go lay that out. All right, so we're going to drill it by hand. Drill a smaller pilot hole. All right, we got a hole. And hopefully we still got our bolt in our pocket. Yeah, here's our bolt. Bolt doesn't quite fit through because our drill is a little bit small. We'll open this up a little bit. There's the spurs on there. Yep, just burrs. Okay, so here's the question. Can you paint a Teflon surface? We're going to find out. See if that holds. Now, we'll turn this over and paint the other side. All right, we're painted. We let it dry out here. It's real cold in the garage, but we heated that up inside, so it should dry pretty good. When we get back from buying our bolt, we can touch it. Hey, back from the hardware store. Got our pot, got our hole. Here's what we're going to put on there. We've got our ProMaster device here. This is a panning device, but we're going to put it on here. We find we don't use our panning device because we've got a gimbal. So this is pretty self-explanatory here. Here's the bolt we went and bought. $1.19, $1.50. Got to be in this at least $3 by now with tax. So screw this together. Tighten that so it doesn't spin. All right, there you go on the bottom. You can see what you got. When you're on the dirt, that little bit you aren't going to notice. Here's what we got here, which is nice. We now have the ability to turn this anywhere we want. And we can lock it down wherever we want. Turn this part. The real nice thing here is we've got this this here piece. This here that we can mount this to the bottom of our gimbal, and then our gimbal will be on here with our camera. So what do you think? Not bad versus the $100 solution. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I've got all kinds of how-to tips on how to save money, whether it's for your photos or it's for your backyard, your car, your house. Just like and subscribe. You'll see more of this. Stay tuned. I'll post a few pictures of some of the pictures I've taken. So catch you next video.